Welcome to the 20th day of Christmas, and today we have plum pear star anise. Right away, I know this is going to go well with a London dry gin such as Tanqueray. And if you don't have any Tanqueray, just any London dry gin will work. It's going to go really well against the plum pear star anise. Now, because pear is so mellow, I'm going to go ahead and enhance it with my Pear Brandy. It's also going to make this drink very sippable. That's some fresh lime juice. And now we are going to cover that with ice and give it a good long shake. Now, we do have to shake it quite a bit because this is made with jam, and we want to break up all those jam bits. So while I give this a shake, why don't you do Jim Boss a favor and give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. We are just about done. Strain it into your glass of choice. It looks delicious. And we're going to top with a lemon twist. Make sure you kind of get the oils broadcast over the top and enjoy. And if you didn't know before, you do now. Tanqueray gin and pear brandy are a delicious combination. Thanks for watching, everyone. We will see you next time.